In 2010, the smartphone war had already begun. Nokia was collapsing. Apple was rising. But one company was quietly preparing to dominate. Samsung. Unlike Nokia, Samsung didn't rely on its own operating system. It chose Android. And that decision changed everything. While other companies hesitated, Samsung moved fast. Very fast. It released phone after phone. Different sizes. Different prices. Different designs. It didn't try to protect the past. It attacked the future. When Apple launched the iPhone 4, Samsung responded with the Galaxy series. Bigger screens, more features, more freedom. Android gave Samsung flexibility, but Samsung added something more: scale. Samsung didn't just build smartphones. It built screens, processors, memory chips. It controlled its own supply chain. That meant speed. That meant power. By 2012, Samsung had become the world's largest smartphone manufacturer. It had overtaken Nokia, and it was challenging Apple. The company that once followed was now leading the Android world. While Nokia struggled with Windows Phone, Samsung embraced Android completely. It adapted quickly. It improved aggressively. It marketed globally. And consumers responded. Samsung understood something critical. In the smartphone era, speed beats pride, flexibility beats control, and scale beats hesitation. Today, Samsung remains one of the most powerful smartphone companies in the world. Not because it invented the smartphone, but because it moved faster than everyone else. In business, survival doesn't belong to the strongest. It belongs to the fastest. And Samsung was ready.